Hey everybody, welcome back. So it was a busy day in the garage today. We got a lot accomplished. As you can see, there are almost no parts left on the bench. The only thing that's left there are the two carbs. Got the airbox sitting on the workbench, and the bin is just about empty. There's just a couple odds and ends, and this is what you're looking for. The engine is back together, and it's in the sled. So unfortunately we didn't film any of it. Cameron was over here, my buddy Mike was over here, and we were kind of pressed on time as far as what we needed to do, and we were concentrating on what had to be done. So we knew filming it was just going to slow us down, so unfortunately we didn't film any of the assembly process. But the engine's in, the oil injection is hooked up, it does have spark. That was the first thing we did. Still needs all its fluids, needs to be greased and everything else. So still probably have about a couple hours to work on it, and we're going to be finishing it off on Sunday. So hopefully we'll get first fire on it tomorrow. So again, stay tuned. We'll have a video of it running tomorrow. Thanks everybody. Have a good day. Bye.